So this is 100% 3D printed. This entire bulldozer. It's got 62 tracks. Actually 64 tracks. Little segments. 64 pins that had to go together. 2 drive wheels, 2 idle wheels. I put dual exhaust on. Beautiful spring-loaded seat. This was a free print on Thingiverse. I used my Bamboo Labs X1 Carbon 3D printer. Oh, you also see that my Deere John's got a cab that I decided to throw on there. I have several videos on my channel like this one and more if you want to go and check out how I have been doing lately. Alright, let's hook this on. I was figuring we could go for a little rock crawl today as I had some time. Da-da. Dualies on a trailer. Yep. Why didn't you strap your vehicle down? Because it's 10 scale. I can pick it up if something happens. So I've got a 60 RPM motor combo going on in there with a dual motor controller. Just kind of working in those tracks for the first time. Looks like they could use a bit of oil or friction. And we'll start the rock course right over there. Wonder if we should go for a rip down by the creek first to see how it's doing. Little level there so you can see. I've had this antique level with me for a long time and I thought the level bubble could go on the inside just for giggles. Hello goats. Goodbye goats. Sure looks cool to see that cantilever system working in slow-mo, eh? So I used 8 shocks, 2 on each cantilever. I know some of you will argue that I needed to use a straight arm on the bottom, but no I didn't. Oh, she's massive today, folks. I had my black rod out the other day and you can see it's definitely higher. There's the boat's even half underwater there. Well, I think we should go to the mud pit. I love making deep treads with my full-size equipment and then running the RCs through them. There's just something about running in muddy tire prints that's epic. Good to get some dirt on her. So my black rod has a 4-wheel steer, but this one I kept just front. Beautiful. centered. Let's turn the tire. Yeah. What a beast. I love this thing. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. For a crawler, this thing really boots around, but has the ability to go ultra smooth and slow. Big John, Little John. That's fun. Beautiful belly clearance. Really wet. It's been raining like non-stop, if you can't tell from the puddles. Very nice. Just thinking about putting a smoke kit in here so I can have a little bit of puff and smoke coming through the top stacks on my hood there. Don't know if there's enough room in this model though. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Nice and slow. Oh, nice. I have so many lines to go, but let's go down here. Ooh. Gonna need a sharper turn. The slow crawl. Hopefully everybody's having a good sleep by now. I'm a nice, comfortable, easy thing to fall asleep to. On the other hand, RC enthusiasts might be like, sleeping? I live for this. Yes. Oh, oh, oh. Well, I'm in trouble there. Need a little hand of me. Makes more sense to have a roll cage. Beautiful. Hop up there. Could have had a little more speed trying to go for the slow crawl. Okay, let's go a little quicker. I think I'm going to cut these tires also. I've got another pair of these on the black rod that I just cut every second lug. It certainly does help in the sand and wet environments. Very good. Yep. Well, we can go down this way.